Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Little Ski Mermaid. My name is Himanshi Singh and today I'm back with another contact lens video, and today the brand is the very famous TTDeye. I know, I was really excited when I actually saw their lenses on Instagram. They have a wide collection of lenses and I was always curious how they are, like if they're comfortable or not, and how they look on me on these pitch black dark eyes, and how if they'll cover them or not. So for today's video I have 4 shades with me. Let's unbox this first. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so the first thing here is a mirror. That's a cute mirror. You can see my hey. So first thing I have in this box is a mirror. Alright, and I have 4 of these lens cases. Very pretty. 2, 3, 4, because I have 4 shades, so I have total 4 lens cases. Then these little stars, maybe for makeup purpose. Yeah, they're cute. I'll stick them around my eye makeup. They look great. One in yellow, one in orange. This little stickers. Yeah, these are stickers. Cute, not bad. And a letter from TTDeye. So TTDeye stands for the third eye. And guys, all the purchase links, every single detail will be in the description box. Every single lens, color, name, everything will be in the description box, so don't worry about that. Watch this video till the end, and if you have still any confusion, just go into the description box and you will find every single detail. So let's start with the trial test. Let's hope for the best. So I haven't received any lens solution, so I'll be using my own lens solution for today. Alright, and the great thing about these lens cases is that they also contain like these little tweezers and applicators. And you guys, after pandemic, I really don't trust my hands anymore, so I don't like wearing lenses with hands, so I'll be using these to wear all the lenses. First shade that I'm going to try is Juice Blue. It's a blue shade. Let's try it on. How it look in the box. 2-tone blue color. It looks so natural, and it covers the black area. I'll show you again. This is my eye. Whoa. And it really complements my sweater today. I look really cute. It completely transformed my black eyes, and I think I forgot to tell you that these lenses are yearly disposable, but these are super soft and the vision is crystal clear. There is no blurriness, no irritation, nothing. I didn't even shed a single tear. How Juice Blue looks in natural daylight. Pretty gorgeous. Pretty easy to remove. I really like the applicator and the tweezer. The next shade that I have is Polar Lights Grey, and it's so transparent you can't even see that. Polar Lights Grey is my most favorite out of all the grey lenses I ever had, and these looks really nice. Oh my god, they are super comfortable and they look amazing. Shade that I'm going to try is also from the Polar Light series. It's called Polar Lights Yellow Green. Wow, again you cannot see these lenses because they're so light. Maybe a little yellowish tinge. Yep, this is how the lenses are, and let's try them on. Wow, so all these natural lenses look really nice on me, and now I'm saving the final one for the last because what is it called? I wrote on the back of these, Butterfly Fairy Grey. So this is the last shade, is going to be Butterfly Fairy Grey. This one is a little different from all these lenses because it got little extra. These are the Butterfly Fairy Grey, and let's try them on. I think these are going to be my favorite because you can see there are little butterflies drawn on the lens. I think I had little difficulty in wearing this one. I shared a really amazing last year, but they look gorgeous. Never mind. So these lenses are something, I don't know, they are pretty amazing. Looks really nice, and they're really different, you know. I've never seen any lens with something, you know, drawn upon it. I don't think I can wear something like that, but with these, they have something funky on them, but still they don't look very creepy or like truly out of the place. Nothing like that. They still look really nice. So I'll summarize all the shades and everything what I like about this brand, TTDeye, the third eye. So this brand, it is quite affordable. It's easily available. They ship worldwide, so doesn't matter where you live, you can always purchase from them. And I'm putting all their links, their purchase links, their website, their Instagram page, and all the links to these lenses, these shades. Everything is in the description box. So if you need to purchase anything, just click the description box, you will find the link and you can purchase them from there. And if you want discount on your lens purchase, you can use my code DUSKY, DUSKY, and you'll thank me later. And also these are yearly disposable, so they'll last a long time. And also these are super comfortable and they are really soft. So personally I found them really comfortable. So if you want to try out something new, some new brand, definitely go for this if you haven't tried them yet. And that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on my Instagram handle is @DuskyMermaid. You'll find the link in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Bye bye.